AmCham Slovenia presents AmCham Business Breakfast – Networking with Content. Today's topic: tax restructuring as a precondition for creating and preserving the most productive jobs.
On the basis of all these rounds of talks, I will not go into details, we have few options. First option is that we just do one reform, reducing tax burden on labor with personal income tax brackets reform. So what we can do is just say, okay, introduce new, let's say, bracket and reduce the tax rates for the upper two brackets that we have. The second one would be combination of different actions. Administratively, for businesses and for tax administration, this is the best proposal. This one is much more complicated, but we are willing to discuss it, and we will in rounds of talks that we will have now, that maybe some businesses prefer some reduction of taxes, others other, and maybe this will come out, but we will see what businesses think about it. So let's say combination of reduction of tax on salary part deriving from business performance, so on bonuses, personal income tax bracket reform, and amendments to the Financial Participation Act, which would really enable us to use this act, because now it's administratively so complicated that practically nobody is using it.
So I think that with the reform, we should attract those kind of global players that they will hire Slovenian highly educated engineer technicians, and in this time that would definitely help Slovenian business environment and our economy.
We want to attract mainly highly qualified and high value added jobs to Slovenia. And of course, these people should be properly paid. If they are overtaxed, what currently is the case in Slovenia, then of course we have an issue, we have a challenge which we need to address. We have been stating this to the Ministry of Finance, to the Ministry of Economic Affairs. We have spoken about this through different opportunities. And I'm glad that now we are seeing the first time willingness to do something in the right way. What will materialize is left open at this very moment, because we haven't seen yet exactly how the Minister of Finance would like to address and what the reality will allow him to do.
The taxation system is just a part of the creating of the efficient business environment. Important part, because at the end of the day we talk about the people who are earning money, and they actually consume that money afterwards and giving back through the taxes to the government again. But it's not the only thing which we need to stimulate in Slovenia.